Hey, what it do? It's Power Wild Baby. Hey, if you have neck pain, if you have back pain or sciatica, if you're in Dallas or anywhere in the DFW, Dr. G can fix it. Now it's my turn.